It's Mother versus Daughter, Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if you want to see who's got the better box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's on my lap, and these are our Boxycharm by Ipsy. Now I'm sure that there's some add-ons in there. I did not, usually I look up and see like what is supposed to be in here. Maybe I'll remember, maybe I won't. I didn't look it up. So here is the theme. There is this little paper flyer in there, but it doesn't go over what is in your box. It just has some different information, and it does talk about their Elfing Amazing edit. So it's a edit with all elf stuff. I have something about that Star Filler Complexion Booster by JLo Beauty. I don't know, maybe I got that in here.
Show my item first. I got this cheek palette.
This was definitely a choice item. And I chose this for you because I thought you would really like it.
Nice. Thank you.
And it has a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. By Ole Henriksen, I have the Hydra Barrier Nourishing Face Oil. I think this might have been my Beauty Boost. I'm not sure. And I do use face oil, yeah, right there?
Yeah.
At night. And I do like the Ole Henriksen line, so let me see if there's any scent to this. So I'm almost out of face oil. Ooh, smell that.
I don't smell anything.
It's got a little bit of a plum scent.
I can't smell it.
No.
Oh yeah, I guess I can smell. It smells lemony to me.
Ooh, it smells nice.
I got this cool perfume by Mango Skin.
So that was at $3.50 add-on.
It smells good.
And
I wish it told me what the notes were though.
I think it's mango. I think that's the
Oh, I thought that was the brand.
scent. No, the brand is Wilhelm Parfumery, and this is their Mango Skin, and that was at $3.50.
Ooh, I like that smell.
I thought you would.
I love it.
By Kat Berkey, I have the Reversal Rosehip Intense Recovery Eye Serum. This has like a huge price tag, like some kind of crazy $165. I don't know, something crazy. Kat Berkey's very, very expensive. But I have used this before. I actually just finished it up and really like it. And I like the ingredients that they use. I believe this is a vegan brand too.
I have this Caviar Eye Stick
By Laura Mercier.
That's pretty.
Ooh, that goes on really nice.
Can I see it?
Wow, yeah. That goes on like butter.
Ooh, yeah.
Like this one was hard to get on. This one just glides on like butter. I'm surprised with Toy Factory. All right, next this was an add-on by Olaplex is the Lash Bond Building Serum. I believe I paid $12 for this, and I like these kinds of things. I don't know what else to say about that. I try to use them regularly. I like the Olaplex brand, so I thought I would try this.
I don't even know what this is. By
Fenty.
Oh, Fenty.
This is by Fenty
Ooh,
Beauty. This might be an add-on. I'm not sure. And it wasn't available in my add-ons either. It was only available in hers. Oh, it's a little spicy. Kind of spicy. It's got like a spicy scent to it.
Oh, you mean like spiced?
Yeah.
I can't put my finger on it. What do you think it is?
Oh, we can look it up. I don't know, but it's definitely got a spicy undertone, like a, I don't know.
Like spicy as in chili or spicy as in like cinnamon?
Not like chili, no.
So more like
This one.
cloves?
Yeah, there's definitely something from that family, and then there's like a musk, but it's not one that bothers me. All right, by Dermalact, I have the Rapid Repair Barrier Balancing Serum. This was, I think, their choice for me. There is how that looks. And it's a super hydrating serum that boosts the skin's moisture, balance, absorbency, and tone. It's got a highly concentrated daily replenishment that targets all the visible signs of aging, restores and reinforces the skin's barrier to combat water loss and dehydration. Lightweight and easily absorbed, visually improves tone, texture, and luminosity, and supports long-term skin health and renewal. So that sounds like things I want. This is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free.
I have a face mask plus scrub.
So this is by People's Beauty, and there's the Frontliner Mask and Scrub. Let's see what you do with this. This is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, phthalate-free, sulfate-free, and silicone-free. You're going to leave this on for 10 minutes. You're going to put it in a thin layer. Gently massage it into your skin. Can be used up to 2 times a week. And you're going to rinse it off. Let's take a look. It's a soothe and exfoliate with tri-molecular hyaluronic acid, triple peptide, triple plant moisture complex, and kaolin. It is supposed to reduce the distress. Use product at first sign of distress to restore, replenish, and calm the skin. 3 types of hyaluronic acid and our triple plant moisture complex with cicer seed extract, pine mushroom, chrysanthemum leaf helps to add moisture and deeply hydrate skin for a dewy, glowy complexion with silky, soft, supple feel, and peppermint extract provides a cooling and refreshing sensation, while kaolin powder gently exfoliates the skin. What do you think about that?
Sounds cool. I already read it now.
Oh, well, you didn't read it to them, did you?
No, I read it to myself.
Oh. All right, next, and I don't know if I chose this or if they did, but I have the JLo Beauty Bat Star Filter, and this is a highlight, bronze, and diffuse, it says. Complexion booster. So it's like a little pink glowy. The lid is cracked, but that's not really anything to complain about. So that's just lightly rubbed in, and then cool. So that gives a nice shine. What you got?
Oat milk oil makeup plunger remover.
Alright, so this is by Toy Factory. It's the Oat Bay Hyaluronic Oat Milk Oil Makeup Remover, so that's a bonus. Let's get into this. Now, one thing about Toy Factory is they infuse all of their products with really good skincare, like hyaluronic acids, ceramides. And I believe I chose this for you because I thought it would be a nice soothing makeup remover.
Thank you.
So, gorgeous bottle. Look at that.
It is.
So I did choose this. This is by Dry Bar. It's the Triple Sec 3-in-1 Finishing Spray in Blanc scent. So I guess it's unscented. And this is going to texturize, amplify, and refresh. You're going to use this on dry hair, and it's going to give instant body volume, and it's going to give you a tousled, sexy look. What it says, at least. Now my hair has flattened out since I curled it like an hour ago or so, so we're gonna it definitely has a scent.
Coconut, maybe?
I don't know.
Maybe
Kind
honey?
of powdery fresh. I would kind of count that as a powder scent.
Blush.
All right, this is by Il Makiage, and I really wish we could get the stuff that they advertise all over Instagram.
Pretty.
It's got like a rim of orange around the outside. All right, so there it is right there.
I think that would look really good on my skin.
Mm-hmm.
Let me
Let you see it.
I want to see it on my own skin.
And I have one add-on in here. This is by Dominique Cosmetics. It's the brow frame.
I think it's too light. I mean, not too light, too...
Cool deep brown.
No, this.
Yeah.
I think that's a good shade, or...
You can see it once you rub it in.
Alright, yeah, that looks a lot better. I like that a lot. Can I have the cap, though?
Yeah.
Thanks.
All right, so here this is. I'm not sure why that is the color I would have chosen. And I'm going to have to look and see if this was even what I chose. I'll let you know up here if it was or not. Because I can't imagine I picked a cool deep brown.
What is it? An eyeliner?
No, it's a brow thing. And
Maybe it's for me.
I don't know. I wouldn't get you and you wouldn't need it. But they have some
I
stuff before.
don't know. My eyebrows are pretty thin, you know. I like eyeshadow primer in this light medium, and yeah, sucker. Alright.
And this is by The Cosmetics.
It looks kind of like egg white, in a good way. It didn't smell very good though.
And then my last add-on is just this little tiny shape tape. And I don't know what color it is, but there we go. All right, what do you think of your box?
I liked it a lot.
All right. Yeah, so I don't even remember this eyeshadow primer, but there might not have been anything else in that category. And I don't remember the brow pencil in that color either. But I don't know. Let us know your thoughts. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Because this girl's tired and needs some love today. And hopefully we'll see you soon.